Hey guys, this is Alec Fuller with Choice Communications. Today we're going to talk about how to customize your phone. Um, Once you're in the GUI, guys, once you're in the interface in the phone, you're going to want to go to settings. There's quite a few things that you can do under the preference. So, under preference, you see date and time. You can change the time zone, date display format, LCD display, which is, this is your wallpaper source, your screensaver. A lot of times, by default, it's on, and a lot of times we turn it off. And then backlight brightness, active and idle. We usually put this to 100%, so the phone always stays at the brightest it can go. After you do everything, guys, that you want, you can hit save and apply. Also on web service, you have the auto location, enable weather update, and city code. You can have an update interval. This is in minutes. And then after you guys get done, always remember to hit save and apply.